One of the biggest things that a lot of people are not getting and don't understand is that it's very important to learn how to build leads into a list and share with them real value. Building a list daily by offering that value, not pitches to a business, creates leads and sales, and it really does work. You really don't have to struggle with this any longer. Just go ahead and click on the link that I have provided below, and I will share what's working for me and what's helping my team, and you can definitely take a look and see if it fits for you. Go ahead and click the link now. We'll be talking inside. Bye for now.